ClickShippers! If you have an e-commerce business, you know how important it is to integrate your online store and marketplace with a shipping solution like ClickShip, which helps automate the order fulfillment process that saves you time and money. You're smart, so you know sometimes circumstances may arise where you need to quote and book shipments manually as well. Whether you need to book shipments with suppliers or vendors, send merchandise to influencers or promoters, or fulfill orders for any non-integrated sales channel, whatever the case may be, we have you covered. Here's how to use ClickShip's Quick Quote feature for manual shipments. From the main dashboard, navigate to the top right corner and click Quick Quote. Start by selecting the shipment type. You have the option to choose a package, pallet, courier pack, or envelope. Next, you'll enter the postal code for the ship from and ship to addresses. Then you're ready to move on to the next step. Now, you'll input the packaging details for your shipment. Provide the quantity, the dimensions and weight, the description, as well as any additional insurance information, and then you're ready to get rates. Compare quotes from different carriers for various services and select the rate you wish to use. You can then save your quote and book later, or create the shipment right away. Whatever your shipping needs, it's that easy to save your business time and money. ClickShip's got you covered, from e-commerce to all commerce. Let us help you move your business forward.